and from here and click and hold the notification, then select hold and don't show me anymore, and he will not show you any notification anymore. Before Marshmallow, the device doesn't have any ability to control notification unless you delete the app. In Android O, they did an amazing thing. They defined something named channel. What do you mean by channel? So think about an application that give you different type of notification, and you don't want to stop all the notifications. You just need to stop specific notifications from that app. So you just go to that channel and stop that notification, and you still get other notification. For example, Facebook. Think about Facebook give you a notification for this notification. If I just see it, this is notification from the system. If I click on it, you will see I did not click, and that's exactly what we will do here. So if I just click here, I will start import a project. I will not implement any code, not import, sorry. This one, import code project. Import Android code project. Here I select Android or preview, and I select notification channel. I click next, then he give me this project for notification channel. Give it any name, click finish, and wait for it. You will see this application. Wait for a second and let me see what he will do for us. Here you go. Wait for a few seconds. Just click update. Maybe you get update. Maybe you will not. He will not ask you for update. Wait for a second and see what is going on. There is some error coming. First of all, let me just go here and see if there is anything wrong here. Define it. See here, target SDK in this file. Make sure to change it O, not Android O. If you have this error, maybe they will fix it soon. So change it here, target to O, and make sure to save it. And if you see you have another error here for icon, it's okay. Just click here on the application, click right, and click in new image assets, then next, finish, and you should done. Now I just click resync application. Hopefully he will fix all these problem. Here we go. He fixed all the problem. So now if I just go here and see what's going on, I click run to see the application. Here we go. This application run it. They just develop simple demo. If you click here, this is primary channel. You click send. He will send notification. He say notification from primary channel. You have secondary channel. If you click send, you will have another notification from secondary channel. See, 2 notification. Now if I just click on hold of any one of them and I click all category, and see I have here the categories. I have milestone and I have primary channel and secondary channel. If I want to stop a notification that's coming from secondary channel, stop it, and you're done. Now let me go back, let me close this, and let me open the app second time. Hopefully I'll find the notification. This is this application. If I send now here, I get a notification from the primary channel. If I just try to send it from secondary channel, let me just close this one first. This is from primary channel. If I just click the second channel, I cannot see it. See, he still be able to receive any notification from primary channel, but he cannot receive anything from secondary channel, which is great. So let me see the code. So if you see, this is layouts, basically they design it, buttons and whatever. One important part, the coding part. If you see, I have just main, just calling notification. It doesn't make anything important. If you go here, this is the important part. You see here, there is some system error. Don't care about it. If you see here, he defined 2 channels. First of all, he defined a primary channel as a notification channel, and he gave it all these properties, and he set it as a channel. And also he defined the second notification channel, and he gave it the color and these properties, and he set it as second notification channel. If you see, and that is. So now we have 2 notification channel. If you see, this is something you already know about it for getting notification for the first one and get notification for the second one. So if you see, when he called this one, this is for the first notification channel, and this is for get notification for the second notification channel. If you see, there is not too much different, just building and call. But let me see more. This is when someone send notification, and here is managing service, something you already know about it. So now here on layout, whenever he click here, when he click primary in the layout, if you go here, if you just click this one, send one, you have to, you see this is the button, what's the name of it? It's a primary, main primary. So you have to go here, main primary. He will call from notification because he already here defined notification, NOT as a notification channel, and he defined for every one of them specific ID. Whatever you could give, you know, in any notification you give it specific ID. So he defined ID for everyone. You could give it any IDs. And here he just initialized the notification helper, and here the UI, don't care about it. This is the important part for notification. Just initialize it part from this class. He sent it this to start initialize it. Now when he sent from first channel, so he just notification, get notification one, he sent the title and image. If you get notification one, this is the notification one. He just return it to the primary channel. If you see, this is the primary channel is the first one, and this is the secondary channel is the second one. And you see it, this is the primary channel, the information for it, and this is the secondary channel. So to work with channels, you just define your channel and the information from your channel, and you give it specific ID. He give it here default, for example, and this one he also define his channel, his title for the channel, the information, and he give it second, this name. And whenever he want to fire up for the second, he just send the ID for the second and the information for notification. And whenever he want to call the first, he send the ID for the first and send the information, and that is this one. Because sending the notification, the title and body that he get it from here, he just will send it to this one, and this one will send it to the secondary channel that already defined when it initialized it. And this is basically how it works. And here we're done, and thank you for watching.